Here's 3 reasons why you should consider ordering your seeds during the winter. Reason number 1, the good, high quality, heirloom, open pollinated seeds sell out fairly quickly. You don't want to get caught the week before you're supposed to plant something, not have the seeds yet, scrambling trying to figure out where you're going to get good seeds. And that may cause you to buy some inferior seeds and wonder what happened to your garden that year. Reason number 2, what gets measured gets done. In other words, planning. It's much easier to plan out your garden if you already have the seeds you're going to plant. Last but not least, number 3, and this may be one of the most important reasons why you should order your seeds right now. Timing is very important when it comes to gardening. See, some seeds may need to be started indoors before you can plant them outdoors. Not everybody has the ideal growing season to be able to plant all seeds outside so they can germinate correctly and survive the growing season and also produce the fruit that you want to. For instance, onions. It's recommended to plant your onion seeds, if you're going to start onions from seeds, 8 to 10 weeks before your last frost date. That is 2 months before your last frost date if you're wanting to grow onions from seed. Now, I have heard a lot of people complain that they can't get big bulbs from their onions. They may not be starting them early enough. A high quality seed company that I would recommend is Survival Garden Seeds. I have a link in the description and in the pinned comment of this video if you'd like to get your own Survival Garden Seed pack. If you use that link, you'll get 10% off of the packs. Not individual seed packs, but the Homesteader pack, the Home Garden pack, and the Farmer pack. You will get 10% off if you use that link.